What a lovely weather. आज मौसम बड़ा बेईमान है, बड़ा बेईमान है आज मौसम। आज जी मौसम जी बहुत बहुत बेईमान है. What a lovely weather today. I wish in this weather could have had a nice drink in my hand. So refreshing. Virgin Mojito. So Virgin Mojito is really refreshing for this weather. And so let's see ingredients are required and how do we make Virgin Mojito. So we've got simple ingredients here to make Virgin Mojito. First thing that we need is some lemon and lime, mint, 7-Up, 3 tablespoons sugar and a glass of water. So I'm going to make my Virgin Mojito in a jug. So we need that as well. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to add some mint leaves in there. 1, 2. Doesn't matter how much you put, it depends on how you like your Virgin Mojito to be strong or to be less strong. So we're going to cut some lime, 4 pieces. We'll put in there. So now we've got the lemon and the mint leaves in there. Mash the lemon and the mint leaves. Squeeze all the lemon out. So my question is with you guys, my YouTube family, who likes Virgin Mojito? So I've squeezed the lemon in there. We're going to make sugar syrup. So what we're going to do is we'll put sugar, 1, 2, 3. We add some water in there. And give it a good mix until sugar is dissolved. 3 tablespoons of sugar syrup in the jug. That's 1, 2, and 3. There you go, that's in there. So now we'll add 7-Up in. Gonna give it a good mix. We're gonna get our glass ready. We'll add some ice in there. Virgin Mojito. Lemon. And our Virgin Mojito. It's all ready. Refreshing, healthy, and ready to drink. तो उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपको वर्जिन मोजीटो बनाने का तरीका आ गया होगा. Like I said, it's easy. So do try to make it at home. See, it was so refreshing that I've drank 2 glasses of it. Danish! Where's my Virgin Mojito?